Hey guys, it's Ashley with Pugs and Pearls, and tonight we are going to be doing another mask review on my channel. Tonight I have the Yes to Cucumbers. This is their Soothing Calming Mud Mask, not to be confused with the Calming Peel Off Mask. It's very similarly packaged. I've actually already tried that one, so if you want to check that video out, I will link it right here and link it in the down bar as well. This one is a little bit different. It is not a peel off mask. It is just supposed to be a calming mud mask. And I've been looking for this one for a little bit. I found this in my Target around $2.50, but depending on where you buy it, you can buy it in Ulta, lots of drugstores, and it ranges anywhere from $1 to $3. Pretty affordable, and I really like the Yes To brand. I really like the cucumber version of a lot of their products. So let's go ahead and take a look at what the claims of this mask are before we put it on. Alrighty guys, so this is supposed to work its calming magic in 5 to 10 minutes to reveal soothed, gorgeous skin. It features green clay or French green clay in addition to cucumbers to help remove impurities and balance the skin. It contains 95% natural ingredients and it's ideal for sensitive skin, which I think is really great. A lot of people have sensitive skin. They want something that's not going to irritate it. And this is kind of light and refreshing. I find any cucumber products tend to be really nice for sensitive folks. So yes to being cool with cucumbers and French green clay in a calming mud mask that will soothe your sensitive skin. This is a single-use mask and it's supposed to remove impurities and balance the skin while leaving it feeling cool and hydrated in just 10 minutes. Apply a generous amount to clean skin and let it work its soothing magic. Rinse off to reveal your gorgeous complexion. And again, it's 95% natural ingredients, vegan, perfect for travel or at-home spa day, which is exactly what we're doing tonight. It's going to be an at-home spa night. It does point out that it should be green French clay. That was my one issue with the peel-off mud mask. That's the same kind of looking one. It was not. It was actually like white. It was not green. So let's go ahead and cut this open and I'll start putting this on so we can see what it looks like. One more thing before we start, guys, I am going to be using my e.l.f. mask tool. This just has a silicone paddle and helps me kind of put the mask on my face. It keeps my hands clean and it's just my go-to mask tool product to help me with application. So here we go. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, it does have a slightly tinted color. Very, very light green, very creamy. So let's go ahead and put this on. Ooh. Okay, so immediately I am feeling a few things. So it is super cold to the touch, which is one of the claims of this mask. And it has a very nice light scent of that cucumber. So if you've ever used any of the Yes To coconut products, it smells exactly what you would expect, a very light scent. Like I use their one of their waters to kind of help remove makeup. Smells exactly like that. And it's very creamy. I definitely can tell that it's a nice clay, again, clay mask. I have preferred clay masks. I feel like those tend to be like a little bit nicer than other masks that I've used. But I really just wanted something soothing. And again, we're looking for this to be hydrating to the skin. And I'm just gonna start to get this all over my nose. And again, I love the instant feeling that it gives as soon as you put it on. It definitely has that nice creamy texture. It goes on super smooth. It's really easy to build this up. And you definitely get plenty of product. I was actually a little bit worried as I was trying to dig this out of the container that I might not get enough for a one mask, but actually it's perfect. So I'm not actually worried about that at all. It gives you plenty. And I wish it was a little bit more green. It's kind of like this weird kind of yellow green color, kind of odd for a mask, but we're gonna go with it. And again, I'm just gonna continue to build this mask up like it says. And it seems like after a little bit, like that cooling sensation kind of goes away. It's just that initial, when you hit it to the skin, it gives you that initial cooling touch. Alrighty guys, so I have it on my face. I am just gonna let it sit. Again, very creamy, went on super easy, super smooth. It's a nice thick clay, but it goes on really, really well. I'm gonna sit for 10 minutes like it said, and then I'm gonna come back and show you what it looks like. We'll see if it dries down a little bit or how it's making my skin feel before we take it off. So I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, so I'm back. I sat for 10 minutes and it does feel really just very cooling. So I feel like one of the claims has already kind of come true. Like, you get that cooling sensation. It's a very relaxing 10 minutes that I spent. It did start to dry down. Clay does tend to dry a little bit. So especially like right around here, I feel like it's tightening a little bit. Not super hard. I've definitely had masks that tighten down way more. But as you can see, like, it has this like nice, like kind of yellowy green tint. It still smells slightly cucumbery, and I definitely still smell like the clay that's in this mask. And again, it is tightening down just a little bit. When I touch it, it does come off though. It's not like it's completely dry. So what I'm gonna do now is go and wash my face off, and I'll come back and give you the final results. Alright guys, I'm back. So I just washed it off and this is what my face looks like. So a lot of thoughts. When I went to wash it off, I forgot to mention I did bring my handy dandy, this isn't the original makeup eraser. This is just a miniature version. And I have to say, when you're taking off a clay mask, it can be really thick, and especially when it starts to dry down, you definitely want something that you can wipe it off with. And this little terry cloth makeup eraser, again, this little mini, it's perfect for like removing clay masks. So it did take a while to get off. It took me a little bit of time. Again, really nice though. Like, my skin feels, I feel like really bright. It's very cool to the touch. So still what the claims are of the mask, I agree with the coolness. And of course it was supposed to try to purify the skin as well. And I actually think that when it was drying down, you know, onto the skin, I felt like it did feel really clean as I was taking it off. And my skin feels just really fresh. It does feel hydrated. It feels very soft. These are kind of like my favorite masks to do because they're really easy. They're really basic. It only takes a few minutes to do, and they're fairly cheap, you know, $1 to $3 depending on where you can get these. And they really do work. They're great for sensitive skin. They're light. They smell pleasant, but they're not like overtly overpowering. I have to say, like, I really do like this one, and I do like it better than the Calming Cucumber Peel Off. I think that one's okay. This one I like better because I do like the sensation of kind of like wiping it off for your skin to kind of feel nice and cool and soft to the touch. So I like this one a little bit better than the Peel Off one, but I definitely recommend it if you're trying to check out masks. This is a good one, very affordable, and you can get it pretty much anywhere. So I hope you guys enjoyed this mask review. If you want to subscribe for more masks reviews, as well as I do a lot of makeup on this channel, just click the little button below, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks so much. Bye.